Good morning, everyone. Here's Coco Boy with us, and Bar, and Daniel, and
Smash the like button.
I love it so much. What about you? Chanel now is eating. Okay, what is this?
No, açaí, but it's not açaí. It's just granola.
But it looks really good.
Sweet. Ah, you are.
Yo, you're ruining his vlog. What?
Said he doesn't want.
I'm here also. I'm like a crazy guy. What are we going to do today, Val?
I'm thinking if kite surfing or bananas and a burger.
Yeah, I want. Or speedboat, or...
We need to.
We're going to the beach and then we'll check what we want to do. And Shai, this boring guy, is going to the gym. And we are going to enjoy it.
Look how many people guide us into our
Yeah, I feel like I'm in
our
Jamaica.
parking, you know.
Wait.
Look, 3 people. Maybe it will be more, you know.
It was more, you know.
It was more, Eilert?
Yeah, it was
Really?
like 10. I don't know.
With a lot of
No one knows
hand
English.
marks, you know, like look. Why they abandoned us? Eilert?
No, he's moving now in order to...
Let us pass? Okay. Look.
They're talking like I'm a
Look,
stupid girl.
Look.
It's so funny.
3 of them.
טוב, I will be face front, למה? It's not true.
And if we want to run, we cannot, you know? Look, they are not
More?
abandoned us.
More?
Look, yeah? More, that's it?
More?
More? He loves that. More,
That's it.
more.
Not more?
¿Cómo tú me dijiste trabajo en inglés?
You wanna be in his vlog? You wanna be? Yeah, he has a vlog. He's a vlogger, YouTube.
He's
YouTuber.
Coco Boy.
Oh, Coco Boy. 1 week from now, you know, all the country knows him.
Coco Boy.
All the country. How many subscribers he has?
הוא לא מבין אותך.
I know that he doesn't. He doesn't understand. What?
Suscríbete.
YouTube.
Sí, de canal.
You know English? Yes. So you understand her?
Yeah, I understand.
So speak, Ayala. Speak with him in English. Let's see.
You understand what I said? What English? I spoke English.
¿Estás seguro aquí, amigo, para poner...
No, this is English. Jamaica, you will not understand even a word. Jamaica, patois.
¿Puedes poner?
So we are going to do banana?
Are we going to do banana?
Banana or no? Me no understand. So cutie. I want one like this.
It's really calm, right?
Yeah.
I think he's in shock, you know?
Oh, he's a baby. Yo, I love small babies as dogs and people. Look at this baby. Take him. It's so nice. Shai, he fell in love with me. Love, I cannot leave him.
You know, Ayala was this side then when I older
Wow, he has blue eyes.
first time.
He has blue eyes.
What is this cute?
Hello, Coco Boy. Coco Boy is not with us now.
Cheers.
Yeah.
So you know how to shoot a gun?
This is how in Jamaica they are saying.
Every
So
time they
you've been in the
ask me.
Israeli army, yeah? So you know how to
Wait,
shoot a
have
gun?
you ever shot at someone?
No, but he said to you.
You know,
Machete, machete.
you know, this is the part of the question you always
I
get
never don't talk about that.
You never ask for that?
If I ever shot
I think, no, if someone asks you that.
all the time.
All the time.
And I'm like, I don't know. You know what I mean? Like,
What are you talking about?
I asked my father when I was like 8. I asked my father, have you ever killed someone? Because also he was in the military and stuff. And then he was like, yeah, of course. And this is how I grew up. I was 7 years old and I was like, fuck.
The thing is, if I could take it over, I'm gonna go to school.
This is how I grew up.
When I'm in a relationship,
Yeah.
all the time I like to do to my girlfriend on the spank on the
On
back. Like that.
And the opposite?
If she does to me the opposite, I'm a little bit annoyed. Why? Why did you do that now? She surprised me, you know. So I was like, like that. But
That's what she's feeling also.
This is what she did to me after a while, like when in my last relationship. After a while, she started to do it to me, and then I was like, and she said to me, you like it right now? You like it? And I said, no, not too much.
I love it.
Not too much because, but me, I can. She cannot. This is the new generation, guys, of the menism, not feminism. You just take the F, it's menism. No, the woman. No, no, I'm joking. Just joking. Chill down, cool down. We are equal.
But all the men will. Yes. That's what we want.
Spank them. Children at home. This is not for children.
Fun fact, when Shai is shy, he cannot stop talking.
Just take the children out of the sleep. That's it. I'm finished for that. That's it. Hey, please stop. Please stop. Okay, I'm going to organize the suitcases. Okay, organized. I have no words to say. That's it. I'm quiet now. I don't know what to say. This is the camera. It's open. Camera is open.
No.
I never talk to the camera.
Never? You're shy?
A little bit, yes. Yes.
Why the lights here and the pool? So we are
Hola.
here on the Monkeys Park
Yeah.
and we saw cemetery
The cemetery. Yeah.
for monkeys.
Benjamin Cole Brown.
Yeah, it's crazy, but
Look, he has a big name, you know, this monkey. Like he's Martin Luther King
2016.
or something. Like he's like big someone.
it's crazy. It could be funny if now she's saying to us, no, it's people. We haven't seen the monkeys yet.
Yeah, we just got.
Yeah. So now we're going to get into the park. Do they have cemetery? Yeah.
It means that they are treating them good, I think.
Yeah, I
And
think.
for me, it's really important.
Yeah,
I
I
will
think
not
also.
get into a place that they are in cages and stuff like that. I don't like it.
Me neither.
Yeah. So let's see.
And we have here also zip lines.
Really beautiful view.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
There is some.
That's it, all this, it doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
So guys, we're in, where are we?
Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata. Huh?
You're in Spain.
We're in Spain, we're in Europe. Look at these graffitis. Look at the sky. Everything is really beautiful here, I have to say. Hola. Oh, really beautiful here.
Yeah, it is.
I love this vibe. Ah, ooh la la. What a vibe. What a vibe. Welcome to my vlog. So I'm here with a bar. Hey, what do you want to get? Fruits?
Very beautiful.
I love this
Show them.
vacation vibe, yeah.
So, you know, we are in Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata.
Puerto Plata. In Plata, it's also money and also silver. So you see that, you see? Like it's made
God,
from
it's
silver.
shiny.
And it's shiny. And you know, we've been in a mall. No, it wasn't a mall. It was a supermarket.
Supermarket.
Like big one. In Jamaica, you don't have stuff like that in that cheap price.
Also,
like,
you don't have stuff like that.
Yeah, also
There's
stuff like-
variety here that you don't have in Jamaica.
And I bought like a mask for my hair, cream, face cream, also nail polish, and it was cost like less than 60 shekels. It means like,
$15. It costs
Yeah.
$16.
and it's good company. It's
US.
not that it's like
Yeah, we pass with it and go to the monkeys because they abuse them, and also it
We
costs a
don't
lot
like.
of money.
They were in
And
cages.
we
and
saw
I
a lot
don't-
of monkeys in the jungle.
But I don't want to support also cages, you know?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
After the baby dog.
We have baby frog.
Oh, baby frog. So small.
So sweet.
What do you prefer, the dog or the frog? We are what?
Sleeping in our dream. Look at this. It's made from concrete.
Oh my
What
gosh.
happened? What?
I don't know. Listen, this is the worst Airbnb we've ever got.
Ever.
There is no water. There is no. The toilet is not flashing.
You see this?
What?
Oh, they put real ones here in the bathroom there. It's not real.
It's a fake?
Okay.
Yo, seriously, like,
This one they put.
shower doesn't work. Doesn't work. You cannot flush the toilet. I cannot recommend on this one.
This is the time. But I feel it needs to be after the Isla.
Yalla, we should go out from
You
here.
make money.
Yalla, Daniel, no.
And then.
It's like a nightmare. What are you doing? What is this cup, Shai?
It's called it's like a magnet, kind of a magnet.
The black one here?
Yeah, I put it. It's mine.
What is this?
It's called. I don't remember the name for it exactly. It's called. It's good for the energy.
Really?
Yes, it's good like that. Yeah. It's like I don't remember. There are some pyramids like that. They are very small. Comorai. I remember the name and I will tell you. But someone gave it to me in Mexico. And it's really good and it balances the energy of the body. So you basically just put it nearby you. Stick it.
Oh, and open it.
Agronomite.
In the morning.
Agronomite. I don't remember.
It's a
Yes.
magnet?
It's not a magnet. It's from a combination of metals and all other stuff. But it's really nice. It really balances the body. So I don't remember the name, but I will check it out. And I will tell you.
Cool.
It's like something that balances the energies in the body. It's like some metals all combined together. Some of them are coming as pyramids.
What's up?
Hola!
Buenos dias.
We're going to the beach to catch a boat and moving to other island. Where do you want to
The
go?
water is
Yeah, we are in the Caribbean.
amazing.
Oh my God, oh my
We
God.
need to negotiate.
Yeah.
Let's.
Oh, you want to do jet ski?
I want it.
Yo, we should.
I want also.
Maybe let's get jet ski to the island.
Yo, I really.
Like Thailand. In Thailand, that's what you're doing. You're getting jet ski. Let's check about jet ski.
I had a friend.
Shy. In Thailand, you are taking jet ski to the islands. Maybe we should check.
Hola amigo, ¿dónde está Martirre?
Yeah, to drive.
Why?
Why?
I know that. We know that.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, we know that.
Forbidden to do that.
Yeah, because what happened? People didn't know that you cannot turn
Yeah.
if you are not
and then it
stopping,
shocked
something
you.
like that. It's also so Jamaican.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow, we should do that.
No, we need to go to the boat and after, maybe there.
Good. Shai is working, Kapara. This yellow shining start to work. English? Habla inglés? Yo, the water. Woo! The water's so blue. Hi. Wow!
Now everything is so expensive.
Yo, this country is expensive. Where are you from?
I'm from here,
Ah,
but I live in the US. I'm from Boston, Massachusetts.
okay.
Boston, Massachusetts.
So you paid 100 now?
Why? No, but it's
No!
a lot of money.
At another place I had it for 140.
Yo, it's so much.
I'm getting it for
You know that Khanita paid $100 for the whole day, right? Yeah, for two. Yeah.
what?
We'll wait until Thailand.
We'll do it in Thailand.
Okay, Thailand next month.
Sorry. We'll take a boat. Weirdo! Chenny is going to do a video of two chenil, one swinging on this swing and one on the other one, and looking at each other and laughing, just for you to know.
Yes. Ayelet, what do you have to say? She's afraid of typhoon.
I'm afraid of this. That the water will not come in.
They will float like Titanic.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Look, amazing.
Whoa! Finally. What a color.
Chalecos de la vida, se quedan en el bote. Los calzados tienen que agarrar la
So
mano.
beautiful.
No es permitido caminar con ningún tipo de calzado en la isla.
Pero pregúntale, Rosita, si no lo van a llevar.
But the island, now I think the island is really good. Because now there is no people. Before that was too much people. I didn't like it.
Hola. El amigo aquí, por favor.
No. Yeah, but now it's really nice with the sun and look at the water. Look at the color.
ellos?
¿Por qué?
Yeah. What?
Aquí no estoy bien. Es para nivelar el bote que vamos subiendo para. Vámonos, Toretto, dale con todo, Toretto.
But look, it's
Now
broke.
it's going to drive fast.
It's going to drive fast. I don't know. Wait.
Vamos, Toretto.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Vámonos, Toretto. Toretto del agua. Toretto.
Oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god!
I love it. Yo!
Yo! And this is...
And this is Dominican Republic, guys.